Today's video is going to be for Saturday, so if you're watching this on Saturday, happy Saturday. I hope that you're all having a really good weekend. It's August. I love August, but then August also scares me because it gets really hot in Texas in August. So we're about to be getting our 3 digits here pretty soon, and that will go into September. But overall, it's actually a very beautiful day. Blue skies, a little bit of a breeze. So anyway, I have no idea why I've started this Dollar Tree off with a weather report from the south, but there you have it. Okay, I want to show you guys what I got on a recent trip to Dollar Tree, because that's what I do Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays on my channel. And it's very random, a lot of little random things. It's not really a big cohesive collection of fall stuff. It's just a little bit of, let me just show you. Okay, so first things up, I did grab some candy on this go. It's actually been a while since I've grabbed a little bit of candy. Sometimes I just do it as a treat for myself. It just makes it more fun. As silly as that may sound, it's just, so I got a 6-pack of the Twix. As you can see, I've already tore into it and had some. I also grabbed some Kit Kats. Also, who is ready for my Halloween candy haul? I can't believe I started this kind of video years ago, and it's one of my top probably 5 most highly requested videos, and I'm gonna be bringing it back again for 2019. So comment, let me know if you love my Dollar Tree Halloween hauls, but it just kind of reminds me because I'm showing you guys some candy. And if you don't know and you're new to my channel, every year I haul candy from the Dollar Tree, and it's just, that's it. It's a video all about all the candy that I get that's Halloween related from Dollar Tree. So anyway, yeah, so I love how much you guys seem to really love that video. As you can see, it just puts this smile on my face. All right, the next candy that I also grabbed, I was actually at Joann Fabrics and almost grabbed a big bag of it. But I thought I could find it cheaper, so I'm probably gonna go to Walmart. But then I found it also at Dollar Tree, and it is the Werthers Originals, but it's the caramel apple. Very fall for me. I love the packaging. Something that I don't normally do in my house is I want like a little candy dish, you know, just filled with candy. I always have people coming in and out of my house, and so I just thought it would be fun to just have a little candy dish, and that's something I'm going to focus on having for fall. I actually have a candy dish that I made for Halloween. I'll link that DIY down below. I love it. I can't wait to pull it back out again and fill it up kind of how I did it last year. Anyway, this caramel apple just looks so delicious. I've had this before. It's one of my faves. All right, so we've got the candy out of the way. Let's go ahead and dive into some other random items. I found these little, what do they call these? Little packages that you collect, but it's like blind packages. You don't know what you're gonna get in here, and you have to just open them to see what you could possibly collect. They have had a lot of these at Dollar Tree. This one is Zelda, and it just, when I saw it, it instantly put a smile on my face, and it reminded me that this used to be one of my favorite games on, was it Nintendo? It was Nintendo and Super Nintendo. If you have never played the original Zelda, which I actually own, you're missing out. Oh my gosh, who even remembers the music from the 80s Zelda game? So, absolutely love this game, and I got Zelda. Is that, wait, no. I got Link. Yeah, what the heck am I thinking? I got Link. So, there we go. I don't know. Oh, this is like a little keychain of sorts. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before, and I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. It's gonna be another donation item because I don't have a child that wants doll furniture. But look at this, you guys. Look how huge this is. It's always fun to just kind of make your own little dollhouse. Barbie, I think this is Barbie furniture too. She could very well fit in here. Bratz dolls, I really don't know what else is hip and happening. Look at this bed. I feel like Barbie could definitely fit on here. This is $1, and as you know, toys can just simply be very expensive. And then there's a 2-pack of blue chairs for $1. So that was amazing. And then this one's hilarious, but a toilet. Look at that. It even lifts up. It's empty, of course. But I thought that was hilarious. And that was it. I didn't see anything else in the box of the furniture. So, but can you believe I found that at Dollar Tree? That's just nuts. Alright, next up, I found some more Stylus pens. I recently showed you guys one. It's basically for like iPads or smartphones, touchscreens kind of thing. And ta-da! Look how cute they look. They look like big chunky pencils. This one's black and green. They also had blue, red. I'm not sure what other colors they had. I just picked up black and green. Up, I found some really awesome containers that have mini scented erasers. So ta-da! Look how amazing this is. And then look at the tops. And like it says, it is scented. So you probably get banana, pineapple, and strawberry. And then look how this is filled with little erasers that look exactly like the image. So that's exactly what you get. I don't know if you can kind of see that in there. And then here's the banana. It's kind of upside down. And then the pineapple, which I know is a little bit difficult to see in here. But also, not only do you get scented erasers, but look at this packaging. This is actually going to be great for Halloween DIY, and I'm actually going to use these exactly for that. So stay tuned. All right, next up, I got a bunch of new puzzles. What? These are 300, which is, I feel like I'll be more successful with 300. 500 tends to, I don't tend to finish them as often just because one, I'm just really busy, period, and two, my attention span is horrible. So I'm definitely going to give these 300 a go, and they are stunning. I just could not believe how vibrant and gorgeous these were. And so I really ransacked through the whole thing, and there were a bunch of other prints that I did not pick up. I love this one. So there's just so many to choose from in this collection by Crazy Art. So yeah, so a bunch of new puzzles that just came in. I wonder which one I should do first. I think I'm gonna do this one first. Let's go in for, okay, this is something I have been on the hunt for. I have seen it on Instagram. A friend of mine that I follow on Instagram posted that she found these at Dollar Tree, Leanna, and I said I have to have those. So gorgeous wall decals, and look how beautiful the illustration is of the mermaids. I can't believe this is $1, and they're just the perfect size for a large happy planner. So I feel like these will fit really nicely. Look how cute, like that, look at their hair. Just love it. So I got doubles, but honestly, yeah, doubles is fine. I tend to think I need triples and quads of everything for no freaking reason at all. All right, next up, let's get into some fall stuff. I got some ribbon. Really beautiful prints this year. Some of the other ones I felt like were repeats of last year's prints, so I didn't need them because I still own them. But I think these two seemed new to me. I've never seen them before. Okay, I found a new frame. It's really interesting, has a different look to it than what I've seen Dollar Tree do. It's basically frameless, and it just has these little clips right here that secures, that keeps the glass, the picture, and the backing sucked in together. Comes with a kickstand, and it also comes with a way to mount it. You could do it this way, that way. So I thought that was really cool. This really is a modern look as well, but I'm probably going to do some sort of fall DIY using this, and it's an 8x10. All right, next up, I found some of these jars. I think I've hauled them before, but I also got it for DIYs, and that's what we get into at this time of the year on my channel. A lot of what I get at Dollar Trees for upcoming DIYs. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. And I have my like fall playlist and Halloween playlist down below. And even if you want to start watching my Christmas DIYs, I'll link all of that down below, and you can just rummage through what I've done in the past and see if you want to give any of that stuff a go. I really feel like my DIYs are very beginner and easy level for anyone to do. I don't try to take my DIYs too far, but just very, very simple. So anyway, okay, more. Oh, there's a fourth one. Look at that, and it's watermelon. So here you go. I thought there were 4. And then you can see how kind of cute the little eraser is. If it would focus, there we go. All right. I also got these 2 picture frames. I thought they were really cute. I love the shadow box effect of them. I love the pink outline of this one. I think I've hauled some of the other mini versions of these. I just need to rummage through my craft room and find them. But I love how pink that is. All right, then I picked up some more of these. I want to do some fall DIYs utilizing these, but I have hauled these before on my channel. This one's my favorite because of the black checkered plaid. And then I also love the colors here. This one has a cream background while this one has white. And then it's a fall plaid. I found some novelty ones and I had to share these with you. I found Peanuts and Lisa Frank. They had, of course, other ones, but these were the 2 that I decided to go with. I'm actually going to donate the Peanuts one, and I'm also going to donate the Lisa Frank ones. But look how cute that is. So cute. And you could also use these images for planners. Just FYI, if you want to get creative. Don't you just love Lisa Frank? I grew up with this stuff. I had the binders, the pencil pouches, the pencils, the folders. I had it all. I love that stuff. So it just makes me happy seeing it. It's just crazy that something that I loved as a child is still alive and well. All right, next up I found some fall signs. Now this shape has been out at Dollar Tree with the little twisting pumpkin on the inside, but I don't remember if these patterns were the same as last year. I don't remember the scarecrow. I think that's kind of what's throwing me off, but you can see that it's outlined in glitter. This one has a dark brown pumpkin outline. You get the gorgeous vintage truck. And then here is the third one that I found, which has the orange. And then you get your cornucopia filled with your fall stuff. Love it. And I love this little old, like, vintage feel that they gave it with the stamps here. So I really love that. Did they do that with the truck? They didn't with the truck. The truck doesn't have the stamp, but the scarecrow does. Just so you can see that look that they gave it. Okay. A lot of glitter fallout, so just if you use it as is, take it outside, take some hairspray, you're gonna be good to go. But I have quite a bit of fallout here. All right, the last couple of things are gonna be some kitchen towels and pot holders. Very fall, I love it. Look at this first one with the gorgeous sunflower. I love the color combos too. Very, very pretty. I love the green and the brown and the yellow. My voice, as always, is fading away. I love that. And then I found some Roosters. So when I looked at it, to be honest, and I know this is horrible, but I thought, do I already have this set? But I went ahead and got it anyway. It says Farm Fresh. I thought this was really impressive for $1. I know I have something of Roosters. I just don't know if it was this specifically. And then I'm pretty positive I don't have this one. They also had a second different type of rooster. I think he had a blue flare to him. And it also had a matching pot holder, and this one had a matching pot holder, but this specific rooster was sold out in the pot holders at this one store I went to. So I need to go find it because I love the colors. It's also very Tuscan, and I've been trying to slowly go through my house and pull my Tuscan back into my farmhouse look that I've got going on. So that's something I've been trying to do. And then I also found, what do you call it? These little, oh, look at that. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? So you can actually get 2 of these. They're scrubber dishcloths, and you get 2 of them. And that's it for today's haul. I hope that you guys loved everything that I shared with you. I'm very excited. This was something I've been on the hunt for, so I was really, really excited that I found it. And I love all the puzzles. Can't wait for that too. But honestly, I'm mostly excited about my candy, so I'm gonna dig into all of this and eat it all in one sitting because I have a candy problem. So there's that, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which, by the way, stay tuned because there's gonna be a huge fall haul. So if you're into that and you want to see, I mean, Bath and Body Works, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, that's probably going to be Sunday's video, so which would be the after this video goes up. And so if you're interested in that, that's coming, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.